The last category of operators are relational operators. These are different, in a way. They express the relation between two operators with a Boolean. For example, whether two values are equal, or whether the one value is bigger than the other. Here are the relational operators. Equals, or exclamation mark equals, meaning doesn't equal, bigger than, smaller than, bigger than or equal to, smaller than or equal to. Let's explore them briefly in IntelliJ. So let's say we have two numbers. We have a small number and we have a big number. We can express the relationship between them with a Boolean by using the relational operators. So, for example, I can see whether they're the same. So this is going to be printing false. Let me move this to the bottom actually. And as you can see, the result is false, because small and big are not the same value. But if I'm checking for whether they are not the same value, I will actually get the result true, since they're not the same value. I can also check whether the one is bigger than or smaller than the other. So in this case, I'm going to see if small is bigger than or equal to big, which it's not. So it's going to be false. And similarly, I can also see if it's only bigger than. So if these were the same values, this would still be false, because small would not be bigger than its same value. But once we have the or equal to, and they're the same value, the value will be true. So we've had a look at the different operators that we can use in Java. These operators work particularly well on integers and floating point numbers. Let's have a look at how to deal with storing text in Java with the use of strings.